The crisis of energy and environment becomes approaching to the human society. Petroleum, which sustains the modern civilization, is predicted to disappear in 40 to 50 years. Also, natural gas and uranium can't be used over 60 years. Will the crisis of energy appear much before the energy is exhausted? The crisis of energy is now in front of us. New regeneration energy, for example, solar energy, photovoltaic, wind, or geothermal heat, is being developed all around the world. People believe that this new regeneration energy will protect the environmental crisis. But there are two questions about the fact that new regeneration energy is an alternative to the original energies. The first one is period affair. It is about the question that, can we make new regeneration energy enough to replace the petrol? The prospect seems to be very dark. The second one is environment affair. In spite of using new regeneration energy, human society will continuously make an amount of waste as human society has made waste. As long as human society continues to produce and consume, there must be waste. The waste will continuously contaminate the soil and the sea, resulting in environmental crisis. The technique that can completely clear this waste should be developed to solve the crisis. The answer to the upper questions is clear. The energy technique, whose density is high and cost is low, and the environment handling technique, which can completely clear the waste. These two techniques will protect the crisis of energy and environment if they are developed and distributed in the short days. The surprising technique satisfying those two requirements is recently developed in Korea. The revolutionary technology, which is able to combust not only combustible but also non-flammable waste, is developed. This technique is comprised of the system. Very distinct and effective original techniques work sequentially and complexly. Small-scale facilities as well as large-scale facilities can be applied so every industry that needs energies. Once this system is instituted, this world will be a perfect solution of the crisis. Because this is the technology that produces a high density of energy, like fossil fuel, with low cost using the waste. This revolutionary technique used the waste as the resources which could not be used until now. Exhausted sewage, sludge, coal, lime have difficulty in combusting. Livestock excretion, food waste have difficulty in combusting. Those incombustible or non-flammable things are made into pellet. This combustion technology maintains to combust with no smoke. This not only makes bad waste into valuable fuel, which produces high energy, but also generates fever over 1500 degrees Celsius. This high-tech combustion technology can produce cheaper electricity than coal can make, while using waste as resource. How could it be possible? Because of this revolutionary technology. This technology is not the one technology, but the complex technology which a diversity of technologies works sequentially in. This also includes another amazing technology which does not make excretion known as post-cleaning technology. This technology, named ZAMT, can handle wastewater in livestock, waste, food, or sewage. Make into functional water below 10 parts per million, which is full of a negative ion, and then release it. The standard of excretion permit becomes non-meaningful action. With an independent molecule disassembling system, not biological one, the pollutant is disassembled into atomic condition. Nitrogen and phosphorus can be reduced to the rate of 98%. The sludge, which is created while handling, is used resources of this system. The almost all original technologies release the wasted water, which narrowly meets the standard after filtering the sludge. Filtered sludge is released into the sea. Wasted water and sludge meet again. However, this system doesn't use external energy while operating. With an amazing combusting power, it collects driving power by itself and provides hydrothermal heat and electricity to consumers. How revolutionary it is! This system can be separated if needed. Not only it can work at already activated facilities, but also make it possible to collect energy itself and decline the cost providing low heat, high-pressure generator at small complex. Small-sized burner can help reduce expenses by setting it up at protected agricultural sites or agricultural and marine processing facilities. Reducing expenses result in improvement of economic power and other effects. We can check it if we look around agricultural field. Low-price energy can make it possible to emerge new farming methods. Also expect a higher yield of agriculture. Non-flammable waste, which is made to use easily small-sized burner, can not only be used for the burner, but also existing cogeneration plants. This can solve the problem that suffering from livestock excretion, also be an alternative of bad wastewater, which is prohibited consuming. The technology that changes non-flammable waste into highly dense and low-price energy has come out to the world. The technology that changes water waste into fresh, functional water has come out. This system is recycling of resource and energy and environmentally friendly technology, which make all of the waste into energy with no environmental pollution. As we use more, so the world becomes cleaner. Please check if this technology will be the answer to the problem that human society faces.